Hello guys, good PM, good afternoon. Ayan, so share ko lang guys. I already submitted my innovation and I am so grateful na natapos ko na yung aking innovation, and yung mga signatories is signed na in our district. So yung hindi pa nakasign is yung submission kasi ng innovation is on July pa. So sa July pa ako magsasubmit ng aking completed innovation. Well anyway, tapos naman siya. So isasubmit ko lang siya on the scheduled date. So ayan, so I am glad na natapos ko na yung aking innovation, and of course through the help of my wife na sa pag-a-assist sa akin, ayan, at natapos ko na talaga siya. And to the service papuntang our district, kasi sa kanya ako nagsistay ngayon. So ayan, and I am so very happy na na-approve na siya in the district, within the district pa lang, pero I am hoping and looking forward na ma-approve din siya ng our division. Ayan, so that's all guys about my sharing. Thank you so much, salamat, at makaka-move on ako sa next task ko na na lecture, and also for my comprehensive exam. Ayan, so that's it guys, and God bless everyone. That's all about my sharing. And also guys, hindi ko malilimutan tong taong to. Siya yung tumulong sa akin truly a lot of help, especially kung need ko siya about my innovation or conducting research. He is my advisor, so I'm not going to mention his name. So thank you so much sir, for helping me, for me in helping to have my innovation and action research conducted. So thank you for your mentoring, for your tutorial, and also for your advices like that. So thank you so much sir, at you are part of my success. Ayan, so thank you sir, and the rest of the person behind, and also to my wife sa kanyang service and assistance. Love you all guys, and that's all, and I wrap up.